Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech Helpline. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to redeem Lululemon gift card online, quick and easy. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. You can easily redeem your gift card both online and in-store. If you'd like to redeem your gift card for Lululemon online, then first open up a web browser. In the web address bar that appears at the top, type in shop.lululemon.com and press enter. You'll end up in the official web page of Lululemon, which looks like this. Make sure that you're logged into your account, and once you are, in order to redeem your gift card online, go ahead and select a product that you'd like to purchase. Add it on your shopping cart and click Open your shopping cart. Click on View Bag and Check Out from the pop-up menu. In the order summary page, click on the Checkout button one more time. Enter your contact information, your shipping address. If it is a gift, click on This is a gift, add a message. If it is not, just leave it as it is and click on Go to Next Step. On the next page, you can choose your payment method. You can pay for your product with PayPal, Afterpay, Klarna, also with your credit card. In today's video, since we are redeeming our gift card, let's go and click on this Add a Lululemon gift card button right here, right under Payment Method. If you give it a click, this pop-up box should appear. Go ahead and type in your gift card number in the first text box. Make sure to type in your information correct. Your gift card number will be located at the back of your physical card. Simply type in your gift card number and enter your PIN available at the back of the gift card on the next field. Finally, click on the Apply button in order to redeem your gift card online with a purchase from Lululemon. That is how you can easily do it. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.